My name is Roland Simon, live in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm originally from New York City. Right now, I'm in the process of honing my craft of becoming an educated options trader. I have been trading for about 1 year now. I do trade options. That's primarily the only thing that I do. I mean, I do and have invested in some stocks, but primarily option trading is what my focus is. The way I was going at it prior to getting onto the TradeAlgo platform, I was learning through YouTube videos, and it was like real gambling. I tend to lose more than I'd win, and I got to a point where as soon as I win something or I make a good trade, I wind up giving it back and then some, the following day or two. And I got to a point where this was not working for me. So I was looking for different tools to help improve what I would consider my trade style, or, the way I would go about, making trading decisions. My favorite feature to TradeAlgo is the live community sessions. And the gentleman, Ross, is absolutely fantastic. Now, he goes through, each, stock and maps it all out for you. He makes it so easy to understand, and he really helps me make better decisions. Now, before, it was like a shot in the dark prior to getting on the TradeAlgo platform. It was like gambling. And having Ross explain why the market should be going up or why it's going down, it really makes my decision making a whole lot better than just rolling the dice and hoping for the best. The other feature that I really like is it provides you the dark pool money. You could see where large, calls or large puts are coming in from, major either corporations or, wealthy people. But you can see where the market can move based upon the information that they're providing to you. So that is, it is such a great help to see that and be able to help you make the right decision because you have a better idea where the market's going to move to. So those are my two favorite features, but there's so much in TradeAlgo. I've only really been on it for about 3 weeks now. But in 3 weeks, I've taken my account and tripled it in 3 weeks. Now, the same amount of time that I've been doing prior to TradeAlgo, I've made more money in 3 weeks than I have in 3 months. So my decision making has gotten extremely much better than when I was without it. Like I said, I've only been on it for about 3 weeks. And then in 3 weeks' time, I've taken a $5,000 investment and turned it into $15,000 within 2.5 weeks. So I've had primarily wins. I've taken a few losses here and there, but having Ross and the community chat line, sending signals and, giving you an idea when to get in, when to trim, when to get out, suggesting when you should take your profits or, This isn't a good trade, set your stop loss. I'm still learning so much, but I can't even imagine not having it at this point, because now I can see where if I really focus on what I'm doing with TradeAlgo and with the market, I could really achieve, my goals and my dreams. Yeah. I'm very goal oriented and goal driven. And one day I'm going to have a house in Belize and a boat. And I'm going to be trading on my boat while I'm fishing. I would highly encourage anyone who is a novice at trading options to utilize TradeAlgo. TradeAlgo has made my trading so much better, so much easier, and I'm making a whole lot better decisions, and I'm cutting my losses. And that is the problem with most novice traders. They don't know when to get in, they don't know when to get out, they don't know which option to pick. TradeAlgo gives you the platform to make the very best decisions to limit your losses. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. I think it's the best thing going on the market. You can't beat it. Well, I would like to be able to make me at least $250,000. And I believe I could do that within 6 to 10 months. I really believe that. And TradeAlgo has given me the opportunity to make $10,000 or more within the last 2.5 weeks. Now, if you average something like that over a year, I'm on goal. I believe that I can make this happen, and it will happen. The thing about options is, you can make money when the market's going up, and you can make money when the market's going down. So with TradeAlgo, Ross really explains to you which way the market is going. And if you just listen and pay attention to the market, and he's providing you suggestions. There's nobody can guarantee what the market's going to do. But your educated guess is way better than just rolling the dice. And TradeAlgo helps you make the right decision, and being able to know when the market's going up, you can make money. If you know when the market's going down, you can make money. It doesn't make a difference if the market is good or bad. The next morning, I woke up and the pre-market or post-market, the market went up considerably, and it went from making just a few $100s to a few $1,000s. I had about a $7,500 profit that day. And I just cannot tell you the feeling that you get when you can make that amount of money in such a short period of time. And I probably wouldn't even known to get in the market unless I had the TradeAlgo platform and my buddy Ross to let me know when to take a call or when to take a put. It's so hands-on. I feel like he's right here with me, and he's giving me the right direction. Of course, nobody knows exactly what the market's going to do, but if you listen to Ross, you are going to win 90% of the time. You're going to win some, you're going to lose some, but to be able to limit your losses, that is the key. And Ross gives you an idea when to get in, when to get out, when to trim, where to set your stop losses. And I'm still in the process of learning a lot of these things. And with the training programs that they have, I've had a one-on-one session just yesterday with one of the consultants. Called me up and was explaining the platform to me. And I cannot tell you how much, if even I take just a few things from him and apply it to what I do on a daily basis in my decision making, I'm going to be way, way more successful. And I feel like every day I'm getting better and better. And the TradeAlgo platform is providing me the educational tools to hone my craft. I really do like the platform. And you know something, one thing else I did not mention that I probably should have is that the TradeAlgo platform has a pre-IPO coming out. And I have taken and invested $5,000 in the TradeAlgo platform and into the company because I really believe in what they have here. And if I could make that kind of money in such a short period of time, it's a good investment. I'm willing to take what I've gotten and sow it back into you in order for you to prosper. So I'm looking for all of us to come up with the TradeAlgo platform.